America survey is out. The results may surprise you when it comes to the stock market and where investors.
An investor who is active in a lot of different arenas. Have you changed the way you look at the markets or changed?
Every dollar you put in, you've gotten over $5,000.
Elon Musk sending an email to Tesla employees.
The stock's probably seen a high for the year. And
the stock market. The stock market is a marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share of stock, you are essentially buying a small piece of ownership in that company. As the company's value increases, so does the value of your stock. Conversely, if the company's value decreases, so does the value of your stock. The stock market is driven by supply and demand. If there are more buyers than sellers for a particular stock, the price will go up. Conversely, if there are more sellers than buyers, the price will go down. The stock market is also influenced by a variety of other factors, such as economic conditions, interest rates, and corporate earnings. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. However, it is important to remember that the stock market is also a risky investment. Stock prices can go up and down unpredictably, and there is no guarantee that you will make money. Before investing in the stock market, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Here are some of the pros and cons of investing in the stock market. Pros: the potential for high returns. The stock market has historically returned an average of 10% per year. Diversification. Stocks can be a good way to diversify your investment portfolio and reduce risk. Liquidity. Stocks are relatively easy to buy and sell. Cons: risk. Stock prices can go down unpredictably, and there is no guarantee that you will make money. Volatility. The stock market can be volatile, with prices fluctuating frequently. Complexity. The stock market can be complex, and it takes time and effort to learn how to invest successfully. If you are considering investing in the stock market, it is important to talk to a financial advisor to get personalized advice. Here are some additional tips for beginners in the stock market. Start small and invest regularly. You don't need to invest a lot of money to get started in the stock market. Start with a small amount and invest regularly over time. This will help you to average out the cost of your investments and reduce risk. Do your research. Before you invest in any stock, take the time to research the company. Read its financial reports and analyst ratings. Try to understand the company's business and its competitive landscape. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of stocks from different industries and sectors. This will help to reduce risk if one of your investments does poorly. Be patient. The stock market is a long-term investment. Don't expect to get rich quick. Investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Remember, the stock market is a powerful tool for wealth creation, but it's important to approach it with caution and education. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the stock market.